Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, yay, I've completed the sides and the front of my little calendar house. I got this one from Temu, so if you check out my Temu hauls in my playlist up there, then you will see the unboxing of this. But yeah, the drills were okay. Some of them were a little bit mismatched and missized. But yeah, I think you can see it's come out very, very pretty, and we're going to build it. But first of all, I do need to seal it, and I'll chat a little bit more about the drills as we seal. So hopefully it will dry in time. I'm going to use my bigger brush because this is all your standard size drills, your gems, and it is all just there's no specials or special shapes or anything on it, and it is like a full coverage of each side. So we'll use a slightly bigger brush, and yeah, let's get into these and get them sealed, and then hopefully we can get it built today as well. Or if not today, it'll be later on tomorrow, but I think it'll be dry enough for me to start putting it together. So yeah, the sad thing was with this, and I was going along nicely, and we had numbers and letters on the canvas on the little sides that I was doing, and all of a sudden you get to bag 9 and there's no number 9 on the canvas. It's an A. So you think, okay, and then you get to number 10 bag and there's no B on the canvas, but there is a C, so we'll do C as number 9. And then we got to bag 11 and there's no D. Was there a D? Oh, there might have been a D. Or was there a D? No, I don't think there was a D. I think the next letter was an F. Now, being a sensible person, you would have put a sticker on the bag. I didn't. I just lived dangerously, and if I missed one, I just counted the bags. So yeah, that was a little bit of a shock. And we went up to Q, would you believe, because there was 18 colours. So it was a case of working out which letters you were missing to correspond with which number. So that's a little bit of a Temu. We get the gems, the drills in lovely little bags, all nicely organised, 1 to 18. But from number 9 to number 18 and the letters A to Q, you're on your own. I mean, you can work it out, but yeah, it was a little bit, oh, okay. Yeah, this is also a puzzle, so yay. Not what I was expecting, but anyway, we got it done. As I said, there wasn't a huge amount of trash, but there was quite a few gems, quite a few drills that were different sizes, and some of them had big domes on the top, and some of them were flat as pancakes, but they were okay. I mean, there was enough. Well, I mean, look how many I've got left. You know, to just do a small project, that is a heck of a lot of drills. A lot of projects, you don't even start off with that amount of drills. So yeah, you know, there was never any issue of not being able to do the project. It just made it a little bit more tricky, and I suppose a little bit more fun trying to work out what was what. If it had had like your letters sort of with A1, B2, C3, then yeah, okay, you know, you work on that. And but yeah, it's because there was all the missing letters. I think we went, I know we went from R to Q, and we went from, I think it was N. We didn't have a J, so what would we have with A, C, F. We had G and H. So, you know, they were a little bit easier. We then had a J. We didn't have any I's. J. We had a K as well. I think there was a K, and then there was no LM. There was an N, and then I think it was R, and then Q. But yeah, on the whole, it was tricky to work out. And if you missed a drill, you know, counting back, thinking, right, so this is this letter, so what number did that one work out to? But yeah, I worked it out. It wasn't overly a problem. But yeah, it was quite different. I've not had one like that before. I think I had a special drill canvas once that did work out a little bit strange. And the letters ran out and it was just numbers, but it was only 1 or 2 at the end. I've certainly never had one where you've had 9 that yeah, you're on your own, work about yourself. And there probably is 1 or 2 that have just mismatched slightly, but as long as the colour doesn't look wrong and it's more or less the same colour, then just slap it on. Yeah, you don't want a bright red in amongst sort of a bright white canvas or something, but if you've got 2 shades of blue, 2 or 3 shades of blue, and they're all like confetti, they're all just mismatched all in between, and you put one in, as long as you don't look at it and think, go, that's definitely wrong, then you don't really have a problem. So there. But oh dear. So yes, that was this canvas. But yeah, it's another calendar. This is the last of my oh no, I have got that GBFKE calendar where it didn't have any key codes or any indication on the bags as to which colour went where. You can more or less work it out, I think. But somebody did say they would send me the code for it, a little key code, a little sheet, inventory sheet for it. So if that person's around anywhere, if you could just get in touch with me, that would be lovely. And yeah, I know one lady said, oh, she couldn't because she'd already gifted it to her sister, which is fine. I hope your sister got on okay with it. I would like to see some finishes, if anybody's got any finishes of that as a calendar. It's the one in the like green box with the pictures to do. Right, okay, so that's that one sealed. Give my brush a wash in a minute, and then it is just literally building a house. We did get instructions with this, so it says to put the edges on first and then clip the sides on, and then you just flip the roof with the calendar. So which is the best bottom, as it were? I think that one can go inside. I think this opens as well, so you can actually get into the box. So I am thinking of gifting this, albeit we are a little bit late really for this year, but anyway. Right, so this is the back, so I'm going to pop that bit on. I know we are still a little bit wet, but I'm going to build it while it's a little bit wet so that we can do it together. Oh no, we've got to put the sides on first, haven't we? Oh, I've just read that on the instructions. What am I like? What am I like? I shouldn't be let out. Right, so yeah, because we've got like the little pips, the little extra bits on the edges that I can hang on to. I'm going to build this naughtily while it's still a little bit wet, but those gems are really, really secured down, so we shouldn't really have a problem. Okay, I do like these little building things, I must admit. I hope you enjoyed the Lego video. That was quite fun to do. And I didn't make, well, I had a bit of a wobble, I think, at one bit, but it was only a tiny one. And it worked out pretty okay. Oh, that one's not going to go there then. So is that one? Oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay. So maybe they are. I thought these were the same. They are. So what did I do wrong there then? Okay. It's always a little bit of fun trying to work out which is the best way to do these. Sometimes I think it's better to clip it all together and then put the base on, because you're trying to slot something in and secure the edges at the same time. So right, we've done that side and we've done there, so we've done there. All right, okay, so that one's in there. Yeah, just clip together nicely. And then this one is just going to, oops, slot in here. Ooh, I think it would have been easier to put the side bits on, but maybe not. And then just wiggle those into place there. And oops, I've just put my fingers right on there, yuck. Impatient Annie. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And yeah, so we have a house. So now you need to make sure that you put your calendar facing you so that you've got your nice little turtle on the front. So this is gonna, oh no, oh, and I've put it the wrong way around. Oh, rookie error, look, the roof has to fit there. Because it's got clips in it. Right, hold your horses. Let's put my theory to the test. Oh dear, you only watch these, don't you, so that you can see me make a fool of myself. Right, let's start again. So we're putting this one in this side. Oh no, that was the side that we, oh no, we will put that on the bottom because we're going to be looking on the inside. And that one on that side. Right, have we got it the right way around this time? Right, so now we need to put these, oh dear. In there. Yeah, it's easier to put these sides on first because there's a bit more flexibility with the sides, with the ends. So yeah, okay. I've done it again. It needs to be that way. No, I was right. I did have it right. Oh dear. How to make a 5-minute video into a 3-hour-long wrong building session. But as I always say, I make these mistakes so you don't have to. Okay, so that's on that side. Yeah, and that's on the back because the roof's going on the back. Oh dear me. Did anybody else notice? Right, that one has just gone a little bit slack, I think, so I might just have to push that one in a little bit more. And now we can put the roof on. Oh dear me. And despite my mauling, you can see that it is starting to dry. Right. Oh, this is trickier than I thought it was going to be. It's quite a steep angle. Right. Yeah, it's not wanting to push in that side. So let's get you lined up at that side. Let's not have it. Okay. seems a bit, that's better. That's squashed it in. There you are. Squished, squished, squished. So we have, oh, it's covering him over a bit, look. But we have a little box inside as well. So actually that's quite nice because you can put all your bits and pieces in there. You can put all your pens, or you can put your secret stash of chocolates. So when your friends come round to your desk and say, have you got any chocolate? No. And then you can just sneakily get them out. So yeah, we've got all our little calendar, and then once it's done, you can take that off and you're just left with your roof underneath as well. So yeah, I think this is very multifunctional. Oh, there's a big word for this time in the morning. So there you are, your little turtle all sat there drying away. If I've missed any bits or I've put fingerprints on any bits, I can just now go over it lightly. But you can see it is drying. So once it's completely dry, I will let you see it. I'll probably have to leave this one overnight now. Just a quick interruption to let you see that the little box has all dried now, and it is all put together and has stayed together. And yeah, all the sides are nice and sparkly. See if we can get a bit sparkly. It's very dull this morning, so possibly not. But yeah, I think this is going to stay on my desk. I was going to gift it, but I quite like this. And it can hide a multitude of sins in there. It's quite a largish size, so yay! Okay, all finished, all done. Back to the main video. But yeah, very pleased. As I said, the only thing was the little bit of a puzzle with the gems. That's just something to keep my grey matter working. So yes, I got Temu'd a little bit, shall we say. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing this. Let's build. Hang on, that's it. Lean it up a bit so you can see the little turtle's face just coming through. Okay, well, if you have enjoyed it, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'd love you to join our little family so you can see what we're getting up to next. New year, new start. So if you can press that subscribe button down in this corner, or scan the QR code on the screen, then you'll be notified of any of my videos that come out so you don't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.